Are you looking for a simple and flexible way to earn extra money online? Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone seeking a side hustle, Userfeel has got you covered. Userfeel offers a fantastic opportunity to do just that. Imagine getting paid for sharing your thoughts and opinions on websites and apps you use every day. By providing feedback on websites and apps, you can earn money in your spare time. It's a simple process that fits into your schedule, no matter how busy you are. This guide will walk you through the process, from signing up to maximizing your earnings. You'll learn how to navigate the platform, complete tasks, and get paid efficiently. Get ready to unlock a world of earning potential with Userfeel. The more feedback you provide, the more you can earn. It's easier than you think to start earning money by sharing your thoughts on websites and apps. Your insights are valuable to businesses looking to improve their user experience. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or simply looking for a side hustle, Userfeel offers a flexible and rewarding opportunity. You can work from anywhere, at any time. Let's dive in and explore the world of Userfeel together. We'll guide you every step of the way to ensure you make the most out of this opportunity. You'll discover how this platform empowers individuals like you to earn money by providing valuable feedback to businesses. Your opinions can make a real difference. Get ready to embark on your Userfeel journey. Start today and see how easy and rewarding it can be to earn money online. Imagine getting paid to share your opinion. It's not just a dream, it's a reality with Userfeel. That's exactly what Userfeel offers. A unique opportunity to turn your thoughts into earnings. Userfeel is a platform that connects businesses with everyday users like you. It's a bridge between companies and real-world feedback. Businesses need feedback on their websites and apps to make them user-friendly. They rely on genuine user experiences to refine their digital products. You, as a Userfeel tester, play a crucial role in this process. Your insights help shape the future of online experiences. By completing simple tasks and providing your honest feedback, you contribute to making the internet a better place. You help companies improve their online presence, ensuring their websites and apps are intuitive and user-friendly. Your insights are valuable, and Userfeel provides a platform for you to get rewarded for sharing them. It's a win-win situation. Not only do you earn extra income, but you also help businesses thrive. You earn extra income, and businesses gain valuable insights to enhance their digital products. Together, we create a better digital world. Joining Userfeel is easy and straightforward. First, visit the Userfeel website and create a free account. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself and your tech experience. Next, complete a short qualification test. This test helps Userfeel understand your skills and match you with relevant tests. Once you're approved, you can start browsing available tests. Choose tests that interest you and fit your schedule. During a test, you'll be asked to complete tasks on a website or app and record your feedback. It's as simple as that. Section 4. Maximizing your earnings insider tips for Userfeel success. To make the most out of your Userfeel experience, keep these tips in mind. These strategies will help you not only get more tests but also ensure you provide high-quality feedback that clients value. First, provide detailed and honest feedback. Clients are looking for genuine insights that can help them improve their products or services. The more thorough and specific you are, the better. The more valuable your insights, the more likely you are to get invited to more tests. Clients appreciate testers who can articulate their thoughts clearly and provide actionable suggestions. Second, respond to test invitations promptly. Tests often have limited slots, so acting quickly is key. The faster you respond, the better your chances of securing a spot. Tests often have limited slots, so acting quickly is key. Make it a habit to check your email frequently and set up notifications to stay on top of new opportunities. Third, maintain a good rating. Your performance on tests influences your overall rating, which can affect your chances of getting selected for future tests. Consistently high ratings can make you a preferred tester. Your performance on tests influences your overall rating, which can affect your chances of getting selected for future tests. Always aim to meet or exceed client expectations to keep your rating high. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of getting more tests and maximizing your earnings on Userfeel. Happy testing and good luck! Section 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Navigating the Userfeel landscape. While Userfeel is a great platform for earning extra income, it's essential to be aware of common pitfalls. Firstly, avoid rushing through tests. Take your time to understand the tasks and provide thoughtful feedback. Secondly, don't provide generic or irrelevant comments. Focus on providing specific and constructive feedback based on your experience. Lastly, be wary of scams. Userfeel will never ask you for personal financial information outside of its secure platform. By being mindful of these potential issues, you can ensure a smooth and successful experience on Userfeel.